Hello, welcome back. Today, let's analyze the service of the young players in the Chinese national games. China has a lot of good young players. However, some players forfeit the illegal serve during the internal matches. Because this is not an international match, the umpire is not strict. The umpire just only knows the rules, but he has no experience of playing table tennis. So the player just forfeits. Okay, well, there are two big problems with this serve. Based on the ITTF rule, you can throw nearly vertical, and the maximum angle is around 30 degrees. The young players have thrown over 45 degrees. This is not acceptable. So the first problem with this serve is it is thrown not vertically. But this is not the main problem. The main problem is the ball is thrown toward the player, and the player hides the ball with his head. Hiding the contact position is very tricky and illegal. If you play table tennis at a high level, you will understand this problem. If you hide the contact point, then there is no way for the opponent to distinguish the heavy topspin serve or the heavy underspin serve. Every pro player knows this trick. This is for underspin serve, and this is for topspin serve. With just a slight variation in the contact position, you can make a very tricky serve. Unfortunately, the umpire is just an amateur player. So Shan Kun is right. The serve is totally illegal. Here is another example. The player throws the ball toward the body, and he also hides the contact position with the shoulder and the head. Very difficult to see the spin. There is a problem here. The umpire is inexperienced. The competition is not fair in this situation.